area of this composite figure, right? What you have to do, first you have to separate this composite figure into squares or areas, right? There are two methods you can use to separate this diagram. First you can if you want, you can separate like this. Then also if you want, you can separate this diagram like this, right? I will use this method to this question. Then also the separated parts I can name. If you want, you can name as 1 2 3. If you want, you can name as A B C, right? Like that suitable method you can use, right? I will mark this one as capital A and this part as capital B. Now look at this A part. It is the rectangular shape. Also you can understand what is the length and breadth of it. Length is 8 centimeters, breadth is 2 centimeters, right? Then you can find the area of A, area of figure A. Also we discuss how you can find the area of rectangles and squares. Area equal length multiply breadth, right? So this length is 8 centimeters, breadth is 2 centimeters. By multiplying these two, you can find the figure A area. 8 times 2 16. So the area is 16 square centimeters, right? Like this. Also you can find this one, figure A area. Then also you can find the area of figure B. Then also you can see figure B, it is like a square shape, length and breadth 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Then by multiplying these two values, you can find the area of figure B. 3 times 3 9. So the figure B area is 9 square centimeters, right? Then finally, by adding these two, you can find the area of composite figure. Area of composite figure equal figure A area 16 square centimeters, figure B area 9 square centimeters. So the total area is 16 plus 9. The value is 25 square centimeters, right? It is the first question answer, right? Are you clear? Right, now look at how you can find the answer of this question. First you can separate this diagram into rectangular shapes or square shapes, right? So I will separate like this. Then I can separate into two parts, no, two figures, right? You can take this one as figure A and this one as figure B. Then figure A is like a rectangular shape, figure B also like a rectangular shape. You know the finding method of the areas of rectangles and squares, length multiply breadth, right? By multiplying length and breadth you can find the area, right? Now look at figure A. Length is 7 centimeters, breadth is 1 centimeter. So area of figure A, 7 centimeters multiply 1 centimeter. So the area is 7 times 1 7 square centimeters, right? Area of figure A equals 7 square centimeters. Then also we can find the area of figure B. Length is 5 centimeters, breadth is 1 centimeter. So figure B area of figure B, 5 centimeters multiply 1 centimeters. 5 times 1 5. The area is 5 square centimeters, right? Then we can find the area of the composite figure, that means total area of this diagram. Then separately I found areas of A and area of B. Then you have to add these two values, 7 square centimeters plus 5 square centimeters. Then the total area is 12 square centimeters. Right, it is the second question answer. Right, total area is 12 square centimeters. Right, look at this diagram also. We have to find the area. So you have to separate this diagram into squares or rectangles. Right, there are several methods to separate, no? Right, if you want, you can separate like this. Right, and also if you want, you can separate like this method. Any method you can use, no problem. Right, I will divide like this. Right, using this method I am going to find the total area. Right, then we can divide this composite figure into 3 parts. Right, I will name this one as A, this one as B, and this one as C. Then you check, do you know the length and breadth of each parts? Look at figure A. Length is 4 centimeters, breadth is 2 centimeters. Right, we know length and breadth of figure A. Then also figure B, look at, length is 4 centimeters, breadth is 2 centimeters. Length and breadth also we know of figure C. Right, then look at figure B. We don't know length and breadth. So first you have to find it. Right, you have to find them, length and breadth. Right, can you tell me what is the length of it? This length is 6 centimeters, no? This part is 4 centimeters. So what is the total length of this one? 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, because this one is 4. So it is 10 centimeters. Right, it is 10 centimeters. That means this part length is 10 centimeters. Then also you have to find the breadth of it. Right, breadth how you can find? This length is 5 centimeters. What is the length of this one? It is equal to 2 centimeters. So this part should be, total length is 5 centimeters, this part is 2 centimeters. So this part should be 5 minus 2. It should be 3 centimeters. Right, this length should be 3 centimeters. Now I know figure A, figure B, figure C, all parts, length and breadth. Then you can find the area separately. Right, first I will find area of figure A. Length 4, breadth 2. So 4 centimeters multiply 2 centimeters. The area is 8 square centimeters. Right, then area of figure B. Length is 10 centimeters, breadth is 3 centimeters. So 10 centimeters multiply 3 centimeters, it is the area of figure B. The answer is 30 square centimeters. Right, then also we can find the area of figure C. Length is 4 centimeters, breadth is 2 centimeters, area equal length into breadth. So 4 centimeters multiply 2 centimeters, 8 square centimeters. Right, now all parts areas I found separately. Then you have to find the area of composite figure. How you can find it? You have to add this 8 square centimeters, 30 square centimeters and 8 square centimeters. Right, by combining these two parts, these three parts, this one is made. So 8 square centimeters at 30 square centimeters at 8 square centimeters. So what is the answer? 8 plus 30, 38. 38 plus 8, 46. So the total area is 46 square centimeters, right? 46 square centimeters. Right. This question given another type of question of area lesson. Find the area of shaded part. Then you can see the diagram here, no? The large rectangle you can see. Inside this large rectangle there are two plane figures. You can see this one is a square and this one another rectangular shape, right? Then you think about the finding method of the answer, right? First you can find the area of large triangle, then also you can find the areas of this small square and also this rectangle. Then you can add these two areas, right? Then you can subtract these two areas from large triangle, large rectangle. Then you can find the shaded region area, right? Area of the shaded region. Okay, let's go to find it. First I will find area of large rectangle. The large rectangle length is 20 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters. So length multiply breadth, you can find the area. 20 multiply 10, 200 square centimeters, right? So the large rectangle area is 200 square centimeters, right? Step by step you can check your answers. Also step by step you can get the marks for term test, right? Right, then I will find this area of square, area of the square. You can see the side length of the square is 5 centimeters. So length into breadth, 5 centimeters multiply 5 centimeters. The area is 25 square centimeters of this square, right? Then also you can find the area of this small rectangle. So area of the small rectangle, length is 7 centimeters, breadth is 3 centimeters. So length into breadth, 7 centimeters multiply 3 centimeters. The area is 21 square centimeters, right? Then you can find the area of shaded region, area of shaded region. The large rectangle area is 200 square centimeters. Then you have to subtract from 200 these two sum, right? Sum of these two plane figures. This plane figure area is 25 and this one area is 21, right? So you have to subtract 46 from 200, right? By subtracting these two you can get the answer. Yes, 154 square centimeters, right? Finally you put the unit. It is essential to get the full marks of this area questions. Okay, right? Are you clear this answer getting method? Right, very easy, no? Right, it is another type of question of area lesson.